Hi, I'm Dara, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to adjust font sizes on graphs in FlexLogger. So right now, I have my light sensor data and temperature data on the same graph, but as you can see, the lumens axis is not configured. So I'll go ahead and configure that with you guys. I'm gonna just click on that axis, and I can change the label font to something slightly bigger. So I'm gonna click around 14 for this case. I also want to make it bold. And I don't like how small the tick marks are as well, so I'm going to change that to 11 and also make those bold as well. I'm okay with that for now, but I don't like how thin this light sensor data is looking, so I just need to click on the legend and click there, and this is where you could adjust the color of your light sensor data, and I'm going to make it 3 just to make it a little thicker, and we can also change the shape of that line right here as well, like so. Now I'm happy with this graph, so I think I'm done. But in this video, we learned how to adjust our font sizes and axis titles on FlexLogger. Thank you for watching.